Good morning to everyone. My name is K. Surender, first year BSc Computer Science Department. I am studying in KCS Koshinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we know about assembly language in microprocessor. Okay, let's go to the video. Assembly language is one of the part of it. In assembly language, we know about what is assembly language and advantages and merits of assembly language, disadvantages and demerits of assembly language, and finally instruction format. Language. The mnemonics for particular consist of letters that represents the operations to be performed by the instructions. Hence, the computer a manufacturer have designed English like words represents the binary instructions of a machine called assembly language. An assembler convert the program is assembly language in machine language. That means that mnemonics for particular letter represents the operations in the computer it manufactured to decide like English words the decide like English words that represents the binary instructions for a machine called assembly language. Assembly language can convert the assembler can convert the assembly language in machine language also. The mnemonics that can be written by the hand on paper a translator manually in hexacode called hand assembly. Similarly, the mnemonics that can be written electronically on the computer using a program and translate into the binary code by using this program called assembler. Of assembly language. Assembly language programs are easy to understand than machine language. Faster transaction time, reduce errors, could be made easier and faster. Small volume of data are to be processed for industrial application. It means language can able to understand the machine language as easily. Then the time is faster than other language. Errors are identified and reduced. It could make easy and faster. Small volume of data also be processed in the assembly language. It is majorly used for industrial applications. Of assembly language. Assembly language is different for different machines dependent. Second, it requires a translator assembly language to machine language. Finally, many instructions are required to achieve small tasks. It means in assembly language is different from other language. It requires translator language to machine language. It also do small tasks. Format. What is instruction format? An instruction is a binary pattern entered an input device to command the microprocessor to perform the specific function. The 8085 instruction consists of 1, 2, and 3 byte instruction. It means the binary pattern entered to the input device that command the microprocessor to perform the specific tasks. 8085 have 1, 2, and 3 byte instructions in instruction format. First one, instruction, 1 byte instruction. A 1 byte instruction includes the opcode and the operand in the same way. It means the opcode and operands are only in the same position. For example, MOV D, A. It means the instruction copy the content of the accumulator into E register. In a 2 byte instruction, the first byte specifies the operation code, opcode, and the second byte specifies the operand. It means the opcode is specified by the first byte and the second is used to specify the operand. In general form, opcode and operand. For example, MVI D, 05H. This instruction load on 8-bit data 805H into the D register. Finally, 3 byte instructions. In a 3 byte instruction, the first byte specifies the opcode and the second and the third byte specifies the operand. That means in the 3 byte instructions, 1 byte choose the opcode and other 2 bytes choose the operands. In general form, opcode, operand and operand 2. Example, LDA 2050H. This instruction load the accumulator with the content of memory location 2050H. It means the instruction load to the accumulator with the content on the memory location in 2050H. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.